A man targeted in a bizarre lover's revenge attack is now in trouble with the law himself. He is 36-year-old Danessa Davis. He was charged in Fond du Lac County Court today. Now, court documents allege that late last week, Davis was tied up and assaulted by 4 women, including his wife, because of his infidelity. Good evening, everyone. Now, this week, Davis was arrested and charged in an abuse incident.
He's accused of several things, including hitting his daughter and stealing the ashes of his wife's father. Fox 11's Laura Smith has our story.
Danessa Davis found himself in trouble with 4 scorned women last week. This week, he found himself in trouble with the law. Prosecutors charged Davis in Fond du Lac County Court Thursday with physical abuse of a child, domestic abuse involving harassment with a death threat, and theft. According to court documents, his wife, Tracy Hood Davis, seen here after court, went to police on Monday wanting a restraining order against Davis. Hood Davis, who is now charged in Calumet County for her role in the attack on Davis last week, told police her husband beat their 8-year-old twin daughter. Hood Davis said it happened during a visit with 2 of his children prior to the alleged lover's attack. Prosecutors say they have evidence to prove it.
There are some photographs that were taken of the juvenile regarding the child abuse complaint. Also, there was a witness to it, the other sister of the juvenile child.
Other allegations made in the criminal complaint involve threats Davis made to his wife the day after the alleged lover's revenge plot.
As far as the harassment, as within the complaint, there are some text messages and some phone voicemails that were received by the alleged victim.
Court documents show in one of those messages, Danessa Davis threatened to dispose of his wife's father's ashes if she did not return his calls. Hood Davis told police the couple does not live together and she did not give Davis permission to take the ashes from her home. Court records also show Hood Davis was afraid her husband would have someone harm her. She told police she spoke with one of the women Davis was romantically involved with the day after the alleged attack at the motel. She said Therese Zeman told her Davis planned to ram her vehicle off the road, drag her out, and bash her with a rock. The complaint says police spoke with Danessa Davis about the allegations, and he admitted to making a comment to his wife about, quote, taking her out, but said he was not serious. He said the calls and text messages were just to get a rise out of Hood Davis. Tracy Hood Davis would not respond to Fox 11's request for comment after court. Margaret Vins, the public defender representing Davis at the hearing, said she did not want to talk with us.
Danessa Davis is no stranger to the law. He also faces a charge of sexual assault of a child from 2006, plus a battery conviction. Davis will be back in court next week for a preliminary hearing. That's where the judge will decide, based on evidence from prosecutors, if the case will go to trial.